Hi Valerie, how old are you?
6.
So how much are you getting in allowance?
$6 a week.
Okay, do you have a plan on how you use it?
Yeah. So I'm gonna spend $1 and I'm gonna save $5.
Oh, good job.
I'm gonna put 4 quarters in the spending.
Okay, go ahead. And how many quarters is $5?
20.
Okay, what are you gonna do with the money in the saving piggy?
The saving piggy I'm gonna save for college.
You sure you're gonna go to college?
When I'm older.
And what are you gonna use the spending piggy for?
On toys, ice cream, Father's Day gift, Father's Day gift.
Alright, so what do you need to do in order to get the allowance?
Be responsible and respectful.
Okay, keep it up.